Hi, my name's Scott Ryerson with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina.
I'm going to do a video walkthrough of our 2021 Mastercraft x22.
This boat is the black with the blue metal flake. It also has the blue metal flake swim deck on the back, and then it has the sea deck. Boat has the rear seats, and then it has the flip out footrest that also retracts back underneath, and then the folding backrest. Has the stereo transom remote back here. Walking on through here, the boat is equipped with the Z4 tower, swivel, and the clamping wakeboard racks and wake surf racks. We did the x22 decal on the floor with the Decadence flooring, which is a nice removable rubber flooring, easy to clean, and a nice clean look for the boat. Over here, this is a seat that pops back down. We can have it up for a backrest or have it just a nice flat bench. Nice option also on this boat. Flip up seat here with a cooler built underneath. We have the rear convertible seat, flips here. Also one more and then down, and a filler cushion that goes there for a full sun pad. And then so easy to just pull up and back. Nice contoured seating in the X22. Storage under here, this seat flips up, lots of storage. Over here in the command center, the dual screens. You got the wireless phone charger. It comes with the advanced audio, which is going to give you the in-dash Klish speakers, 2 subwoofers, and then the tower speakers. So great audio, awesome sounding speakers. The Klish speakers really rock. Up front here, you got the flip down armrests, both doors bat wing open for storage up underneath. Anchor locker here, and then a nice feature here is they have the front cleat there, so you can throw your anchor off the front. Really nice and handy when you're out anchoring off on this boat. Cool feel material that stays about 30% cooler than the original vinyl material, and also is very, very easy to clean and a very durable material. So don't let the black on this boat scare you away. It does not get hot in the sun, so it's a nice option to be able to go with the black. This boat's equipped with the 6.2 liter direct injection motor, so you have 430 horsepower, just a great amount of power for this boat. It has the GEN2 surf switch either side surf system. It has a great wave in this boat. You have 3,500 pounds of ballast. So tons of weight in this boat for a huge surf wave, great customizable surf wave. So the X22 is definitely state-of-the-art when it comes to wakeboard and wake surfing, and excellent all-around riding boat. Come on out to MarineMax and take a look at our 2021 Mastercraft X22. You can also see it on our website, which is at MarineMaxGreenville.com, or give us a call at 864-236-9005. Thank you.